Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. I'm going to do a Celestial tea review. This is the energy tea, and it is green tea, and it has 95 milligrams of caffeine, as much caffeine as a cup of coffee. Okay, I'm letting it steep right now. It says heat water to near boiling, 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using my coffee pot. Hot water should be good enough. Pour 8 ounces of water. I don't know if I put 8 ounces of water in there. I just poured it in there. I wanted to kind of keep it, you know, kind of a traditional cup, teacup, not a coffee cup. So I didn't, and I want to get as much flavor out of it as I can. So steep for 2 minutes, not over steep. So it's time for me to actually get it out right now. So let me do that. Remove tea bag from cup, sweeten if desired. So when it's saying that, that means that it is not sweet. So the ingredients, although does say green tea, natural peach flavor with other natural flavors, matcha, and green tea extract. Okay, so on the aroma, although being almost a lemonade greenness, actually lemonade is kind of a more of a light yellow, kind of light green. Anyway, this is cloudy. It does have a peach aroma, but that said flavors. Peach flavor with other natural flavors. So I would assume I would be getting a peach flavor. So, all right. Yeah, peach is really about all I'm getting in the aroma. Maybe a little green tea there, but it's not huge. That peach is pretty strong. All right, let's try this thing. Getting the green tea, a little tea bitterness on the back end. I'm getting maybe like a peach peel, which would be a little bit more, a little bit of sour kind of bitterness. There's not a sweetness in here, although this indicates that to me that it would be. But when it says peach flavor, but no, there's not a peach flavor in here. Except for just maybe just like a, I mean, there's something. It's like a, like I said, like just the peel part is a little sour and a very little bit of a bitter until you get to the actual fruit inside, underneath the peel. So, yeah, I mean, is it horrible? No, it's just sometimes when my mind says it's going to taste like peach because it says peach flavor, it gets a little disappointed because it doesn't get a sweetness of the peach. So what I'm going to do is, I do like my teas with a little sweetness. So what I'm going to do is let's do honey instead of sugar. Let's try just a little honey. Sometimes, and I've heard that the honey, a little honey, will bring out the actual flavor, and I have witnessed that before. I add a little sweetness to something that says it's in there, you don't taste it until you actually add a sweetener to it, and then you actually get the fruit, the fruit that it's, excuse me, that it's advertising. So let's see if that amount of honey was enough to do something to it. Perfect. That is perfect. I'm getting the honey taste in there though. Just a minute. Okay, sorry about that. Hope you fast forward through that part. Someone's knocking at the door of my office, so I gotta put my mask on before I answer the door. Because, yeah, serious. So, so anyway, yes, it's good. It's good. That I'm tasting the honey. Doesn't, I don't know if it goes good with that fruit. Certain, fruits and sweeteners go good together. I'm thinking maybe a little regular sugar would have been better for this to maybe bring it out, because I'm getting the honey. With the sugar, you're just getting sweet in there, not a flavor. With the honey, it put a flavor in there. So I'm thinking maybe I would have got the peach a little bit more if I would have added sugar. So you just never know how it's going to go. So there you go. Caffeine. Yeah, let's see if this makes me paint faster today. Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's good like this with the honey in it. It's just not the desired effect I was trying to get with it. So, but yeah, there's a lot of tea dryness on the back end. There is a green tea taste in there. So yeah, all right. Well, there you go. Well, I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. I apologize for the interruption. If I would have stopped the camera, I would have had to do a part 2 because I cannot edit right now. We're still trying to figure that out. I'm having problems with the editing thing, and we actually got an editing package bundle or something like that from one of my nephews. And when I say we, I'm talking about my son Jeremy. He's the one that helps me edit when we have been able to edit. But for some reason I can't get my videos all off my phone onto the computer to edit. So I would have I can't do a part. I can do a part 2, but I'd have to do 2 different videos. I can't link them together, in other words. So otherwise I would have stopped it and I would have figured that out later. So okay. Well, I thank you all for watching, like I said, and I appreciate it. And let me know if you've tried this one and what you thought of it. And we'll see you on the next one.